Hi brothers and sisters, my name is Estee. I was born in Singapore in 1966. This channel is about an Asian living in Sweden. Initially, I made videos on recipes and videos for keepsake so that my daughters can have memories of me before I pass away. I started my channel at age 45, located in North Sweden, Skellefteå. Here is my love story. I fell in love with a Swedish guy when I was 28. I met him at a pub called Elvis at Beach Road. After 2 years of long-distance relationship, we decided to get married. I was having a lot of health issues when I was pregnant, so my gynae advised me to move to Sweden when I was 7 months pregnant. It was minus 30 degrees when I arrived. My health got better, but things wasn't as planned. I fell in love again, but this time I fall in love with Sweden. This country offered me lots of freedom, and this is what I enjoy. Best of all, I get paid learning Swedish in school. They have a very unique culture. For example, when you eat with a sweet, you cannot take the last bite. Is moving to Sweden a better life? Well, it all depends on where you are coming from. Moving abroad is never easy. You're going to miss your family, your friends, and your job. It's very difficult to find a job here, so I started a company that sells scrapbook items on the internet. But my working hours is around the clock. I work, and work. I realized I did not have time for my daughters and my family, so after 4.5 years, I decided to give it a quick. After 12 years of marriage, I realized that my marriage was falling apart. Being a single parent is never easy, especially when you are an Asian with no job. During that time, my saving was only enough for the next month's rental. Luckily, I found a job taking care of old people and also people with addiction issue. The money was good, but I felt so miserable. During that 5 years, I was having depression because my body couldn't handle the heavy loads of work. And then I started asking myself, what am I doing? So, in 2014, I created my first YouTube video in my 3-room apartment. And during that time, I met a nice man called Andreas. Some of you may have remembered him. Unfortunately, he has a serious mental problem, so we broke up. Shortly after that, I met LG at a party. LG is very sweet to me and we get along really well. During that time, he was busy renovating his ground floor apartment. We also started a B&B business together on the 2nd and the 3rd floor. This is how our YouTube kitchen looked like after a year of hard work. I do live cooking streaming on alternate days at YouTube and Facebook. Honestly, my video is not very good, and I'm surprised people still subscribe to my channel. After living in Sweden for 20 years, I just realized that all the while I have been adapting to this new country. I totally forgot about the real authentic me. And starting from now, I want to show you the real authentic me. I'm still in the process of learning, and I hope that you can follow me through this journey. If my channel speaks for you and you feel connected with me or us, I hope you consider subscribing. So, let's connect and create a history together. If you enjoy the experience with my video, here are some of the videos you might want to watch. Don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss my next video. Hope to see you soon. Bye.